TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Thursday morning. 30 minutes to go until the opening bell, and we have markets in negative territory, but quite a volatile night, as has been the case lately. You go from where we were in the highs. I have the S&P chart up here, 2460 right after the market closed, 7:30 p.m. last night. You go from 2460 down to 2275. Folks, that's a 7.5% drop, and then you go from 2275 up to 2415. That's a 6% rise. So 7+% down, 6% up. From there, we're trading 2364, though, down about 1.6%. You see the pop that we got in the last half hour from a low there of 2327. So you're approaching almost 40 S&P points above that level. Jumping over to the news story driving the 8:30 a.m. action, at least. Weekly jobless claims, 281,000. That's a rise from 211,000. They call it significant in this article, but it's not significant in light of what the next weeks may bring. They're talking about millions, potentially 2 million plus weekly jobless claims. Very real number when you have the market pulling back about 30%, the retail sector drying up potentially overnight. Whether it's service industry, especially restaurants hit hard, some going to be able to be delivering. But if you're a server out there, if you're anybody working in that retail sector, malls, big areas, sporting goods, schools closing down, lots of areas to be affected for sure. Jumping over to the markets. Dow 30, 19,591. You back it up to where we were last night, 18,838. Didn't think I'd see an 18,000 potentially ever again. We were approaching 30,000 in the Dow not more than 3 or 4 weeks ago. 19,592. NASDAQ 100, huge moves as well from 6,900. Well, back this up from 7,400 overnight down to below 6,900. So that's 500 points. Then you rise 400 points to above 7,300. We're now sitting at 7,161. We covered the S&P 500, 2,367. There's your crude oil market. Remarkable price tag yesterday afternoon, $20.55. Crude trading at $22.57. Gold at $14.78. Gold overnight making a high of $14.97. And the euro, volatility everywhere. Quite a decline in the euro, reaching a low price of 107.27. Now back above 108 at 108.06. Stay tuned, folks. We got a man, Larry Pesavento, coming up live with Trade What You See from 9 till 10. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Live programming all market day at TFNN. Stay tuned. Larry Pesavento coming up right now.